What the heck? I just had the weirdest dream. I'm gonna go do something. Whoa, when did that mirror get there? Roar! Ah! Scary, scary. Stupid mirror, I'll get you back. Yeah! Ugh. What happened? I better go find my friends. Hey, Natalie! What? My name is not Natalie, it's Natalia. What? Whatever. I'm gonna go find Maya. Hey, Maya. Hello, young dear. What the? Ah! What the heck is that? Go, what? Hi? Scary monster. Molly? Scary monster, go away. What happened? We don't know. Yeah, we were just on the ground. There was a monster, and then you guys were all fancy. You're having just bad dreams. Come on. Yeah, it's probably just a bad dream. Ha 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 ha.